What is going on, y'all? It is November 13th, 2025. Welcome back to yet another vlog, guys. What we do have planned in today's vlog is some day trading, and then we also are going to be hitting legs later in the video. So stay tuned if you guys are interested in that. Unfortunately, I lost about $48 today within the market on a bunch of different stocks. Kind of a rough day today. Should have been an easy day, but unfortunately, it wasn't for us. Just want to say thank you guys so much for being here. I really hope you guys do enjoy today's video. If you guys could, hit that like and subscribe button. It always helps the channel out a lot. And let's go ahead and hop right into it, guys. Alright, y'all. It's about 9:18 a.m. So let's go ahead and hop right into these levels, guys, and go over what I am watching today and stuff like that. We'll go ahead and start out here on AMD, guys. These are my levels for AMD today. We are actually breaking below this support and man zone as we speak pre-market, so I definitely need to be marking out some more levels before the market opens before here on AMD here. Next, we have IWM, guys, which is unfortunately making a move that I was going to be looking out here for today. We could still potentially get it if we pull back to this resistance and supply zone. Something sort of like this I'm going to be watching today for IWM. Boom, boom, boom. Get that move lower. But regardless, we got Nvidia also, and I think Nvidia could have some downside today as well. I want to say to maybe if I did get inputs, this probably would be one of my first take profits down around here where I put this first line here. And then next we have QQQ, we got SPY, and then this is kind of random. Something I'm kind of just watching for the fun of it. I do really want to start to try to play swing trades more. I could be looking out for a potential short position here on Rivian. As you guys can see, every single time we've came back up to retest around the zone previously, we've had some really strong rejections. That doesn't mean Rivian's gonna move lower. That's why we still have to wait for a lot more confirmation before we actually get into anything, because we could easily also break above this level, hold above this level, and it could be really good for calls back up into this 2489 level. Just wanted to mention that because that's going to be something I'm going to be watching over the next couple days to weeks probably. I really want to see how Rivian plays out here. I'm really trying to play, like I said, some more swing trades with smaller positions because I do want to get better at swing trading. I honestly think it's really fun. So I'm going to be keeping you guys updated with that over the next couple days to weeks, like I said, with the vlogs and stuff like that, man. I just can't believe how much we've gotten off track and how much I haven't been uploading vlogs and stuff like that. Like I said, guys, I really do apologize about that, but we're gonna get back on it. We're back at it, guys. That's all that matters. I just want to say again, thank you guys so much for being here. I really hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the vlog. I'm going to be updating you guys in about 9 minutes once the market does open. I wanted to go ahead and mention my completely free Discord, guys. I'm going to leave that linked in the YouTube description below if you guys are interested in that as well. I'm going to be updating you guys soon, and I'll see you guys, then. Damn. Alrighty, yo, the market is about to open here any second, man. We probably have about like 30 seconds until the market opens. All right, market is now officially open, so let's see what we can do today. I feel like today's going to be a good day, guys. I know we can catch something. We just got to stay patient and wait for the right setups. I'm going to keep IWM on watch. I'm going to set these charts up to be able to look to get an entry because I really think we could, honestly, early into market open. I would probably look at like 240 puts here on IWM. Yeah, I need to see us hold below this level here for more downside on IWM. I don't know if we're going to, but there's really only one way to find out, and that's to be patient. Nvidia is looking kind of interesting as well here. All right, so I got all my alerts set now. We just have to be patient now. All right, and I just wasn't recording, I guess. I don't know how the recording got stopped, but yeah, we just took a loss on IWM. I explained everything, and I wasn't recording, so we're going to go over it again, guys. Basically, I was up about, I'll show you guys the Discord real quick. I was up about, let's see here. I was up about 29% here on IWM puts, guys, and I should have honestly just sold around this support and demand zone here. Right around the support and demand zone when we got down here, I should have just sold, but I didn't. And IWM, unfortunately, bounced all the way back up to where we were when market opened. As you guys can see, I was down around 30% on those puts. Fortunately, with us taking that like $30 win on Nvidia, like I was saying, I was able to like even it out. We're only down about $36 today, But as of now, I really don't even want to take any more trades. I kind of just want to give the market some time to breathe and kind of just do its thing, and then make a decision based off that. I just can't, because we were literally probably up almost $100 on the day, and now we're down like $30, $40 on the day. So I just, yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of pissed about it, but it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna be updating you guys soon. I'll let you guys know what happens, and yeah, we'll go from there.
How'd that go? I started this bench cycle on Reddit True Side.
Oh my god.
Dude, you should look up Reddit True Side. It's no fun. Boom. I got it, come on. Let's go. Come on. Two more.
Oh my god.
Last one. Yep. All right, we're warming up on the squat. Easy. Go. Go. Two more. Go.
Come on.
Go. Good work.
Come on.
Yo.
The clip's on there. Come on. What the fuck? Oh my god. Fuck. I need a little break. Hold on. Oh, you mean on my side?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know. I'm an idiot. I don't know why I didn't think of that shit happening. I know, my bad, bro. Fuck no.
Close.
He's good.
They got breezy. I'll send you the link, Tim.
Don't. The top, screaming down, screaming what now? Look at her. Alright, y'all, as you guys seen, we were in the gym, man. We hit a leg day with my boy Ben. Today was such a hard day within the market, man. We actually lost about $49 today. As you guys can see, it was a battle today. I was up about $100. I was down. I was up. I should have held on to those IWM puts actually because I ended up getting into IWM puts again because we ended up breaking below another support in the support and demand zone. I'll actually show you guys where the market closed today because we ended up having a lot more downside on the market and stuff like that. So we go over here to IWM. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I was talking about. Go over to stocks here, IWM. We ended up breaking below this support in demand zone. I tried another position on IWM puts, and I honestly should have held on to them, bro, because I would have absolutely banked. I actually sold half in profit and then held the rest, and unfortunately I sold the rest for a loss. But yeah, man, today was a hard day, bro, but it should have been an easy day. Should have been an easy day, man, but it is what it is, man. Basically, what I've seen here on this second trade on Nvidia was us yet again breaking below a key support in the demand zone. I played 1 DTEs on these puts, and we came back up to retest that previous previous support in demand zone, and then turned it into supply and resistance, right? Seeing as we're testing the 8 and the 21 EMA, getting rejection off those as well. Everything about this setup aligned with my strategy and my plan, and everything looked good. A+ setup, right? Took it, and unfortunately, we overall ended up selling for a loss. Not anything crazy today. We only lost $50 today. I'm not tripping about it, bro. But honestly, we haven't been having the best week ever. We should be having a very, very good week this week, if you want me to be honest with you. But you know, still got things to work on and stuff like that. It is what it is, man. It could be a lot worse. And honestly, bro, even though we've been taking L's recently, I'm very, very, very proud of myself for how small we've been keeping those losses, because that's the name of the game in trading, keeping those losses small and keeping those winners big, and stuff like that. But that's besides the point, guys. Unfortunately, we ended up taking a loss on IWM puts today, but I want to show you guys Rivian, because we ended up hopped in Rivian puts, and I'm swinging these puts. I didn't hop in with any crazy position size. I literally threw like 80 to 100 bucks at this trade. So if this trade goes to zero, it goes to zero. But bro, I really think Rivian is going to move lower. I'm going to be hopping up to the daily chart and showing you guys why. As you guys can see here previously on Rivian, as we've came back up to retest this, 1882 zone, 1, 2, 3, previous strong, 4 rejections around this zone. And as of now, price is rejecting this level yet again. Very, very strong. I feel like I could have waited for a little bit more confirmation with this trade and stuff like that. That's kind of why I didn't take like the craziest position size ever. Usually I would have put like $200 to $300 in this trade and stuff like that, but we were up about 70% on these puts before the market even closed. I'll show you guys in the Discord. It's really the only way I can show you guys. If we go over to the Discord, as you guys can see here, I was posting about it, talking about it in the Discord. Did I not? I know I posted it, bro. What the? Wait, where is it at? Wait, what? Hold up, bro. What? I just have to pull it up on my phone and show you guys because I could have sworn I posted it in the Discord. Let me show you guys. We were up about 77% on that Rivian position. Like I said, we went in with a small size, but we played 22 DTE contracts, bro, because I really do think Rivian is going to have more downside. I think we're going to see more downside on Rivian. And I might be wrong, and I think I might be a little bit too early to this trade, bro. But as you guys can see here, we came back up to retest that level once, boom, smacked off of it. Came back up to retest it twice, boom, smacked off of it, making a lower low. It's looking like price potentially might want to move lower. As long as we remain below this 1882 level, I'm going to continue to hold this trade. And I'm going to continue to hold this trade until we get down to around probably here-ish, probably around 1450 to around like 1421. If we do, this is my level I'm watching right now for price to break below for us to really get that continuation lower. I'm looking for price to break below this 1621 level, and that will give me a lot more confidence that Rivian is going to move lower. But that's my spiel on Rivian and why I kind of like Rivian puts. Sure, if we go up to the daily, you can kind of see how strong Rivian has been recently. We've definitely been having a lot of upside on Rivian, but I think price could definitely head back down if I'm right. So I'm either gonna look like a genius or I'm gonna look like an idiot. So yeah, that's that. And I really want to start to try to swing trade them more, bro. And I'm talking like $50 to $100 positions right now, only because I'm testing out the waters. I really haven't swing traded much. It's basically the same thing as day trading. It's a little bit different, obviously. Requires a lot more patience, but it's kind of fun to swing trade, bro. And it's something, like I said, I want to start investing more in time into and getting better at. So I'm gonna start out with smaller position sizes, like I did there on Rivian. And with these like certain contracts, like Rivian, bro, if Rivian were to move down to this 1440 level, I'm not even kidding. I think those contracts would go 500-600%, bro, or more. Which 500 or 600% more than, let's just say, $100. It's like $500 to $600 off off $100. So, yeah, the risk reward. I also calculated the risk reward obviously before getting into this trade. Very worth it. Something I really like right now. So we just have to see what's going to go on. Rivian closed pretty bearish, pretty strong to the downside. So that's something I like. Definitely. Oh wait, I guess market still has 37 minutes till it closes, but it's looking very good for downside, guys. We just have to break that level. Right now I'm probably gonna go ahead and actually edit the video that you guys are watching right now. Not really much more is gonna go on tonight. I got to do some trade reviews. I want to try to at least back test for an hour or two. I also kind of want to try to get some personal time as well, because that's important stuff like that. Not sure what I'll really do. Kind of been watching Naruto again, Naruto Shippuden, I guess you could say, because I already finished the original Naruto. It's something I actually started watching a while ago. Kind of got out of it like for like a year and a half, but now I'm getting back into it, and I'm like in peak Naruto Shippuden right now, bro. So probably watch a couple episodes of that, and I try not to overdo it too much, but it's kind of hard sometimes. But I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated, man. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. And yeah, keep you guys updated. All right, y'all, that is going to conclude the video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I know, like I said, it's been a while since we've uploaded and stuff like that. I really do apologize about that, guys. I'm gonna be trying my absolute best to upload as much as I can from here on out and stuff like that. Again, thank you guys so much for being here, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.